Hi, I'm Reggae Girl Marlo Sweatman. You're watching Eddie Vision TV. Like, share, and subscribe.
Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddie Vision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. I'm your host Eddie Guna, and this is another video on another potential reggae boy. Now if you want to continue hearing player updates, you know what to do. Share the video, hit that subscribe button, and hit that like button. Alright. This time, it's Dujon Sterling. I understand that we are now scouting Mr. Sterling for the upcoming Copa America. So Sterling is currently playing in the Scottish Premiership with big giants Rangers. Big club over there, as you all know. So far this season, 16 appearances, 2 yellow cards. So he's been in the starting 11 21% of the time, played 29% of the minutes, no goal participation thus far. So he's just 24 years old, born October 24, 1999. He was born in London. Height 1.86 meter. As you can see here, he's eligible for Jamaica. No, this man is a utility player. I just have to say this. It's stated here that he's a defender, right back. Predominantly uses his right foot, but let me tell you, this man has played right back, left back, defensive mid, and left midfield. He joined Rangers in July 2023, has a contract with them until 2027, and he was part of the Chelsea Academy, you know, from as far back as 2016. Been on loan a couple of times, you know. Been at Coventry, Wigan, Blackpool, Stoke, and he's now at Rangers, finally getting his permanent move, and he's now in Scotland. So he has also played Champions League qualifiers for Rangers, played in the Europa League, and you know, they played in the Scottish Cups. Internationally, played for the English U20, U19, U17 and U16. Now I mentioned that he's a utility player. He's comfortable in many positions, but for Jamaica, I think that we're looking at him for defensive midfield. He's a powerful lad, physical, good passer, good tackler, and you know, he has some of the stuff that we see in Damian Lowe. I don't know yet if he has that same level of passion. I don't think nobody has that Damian Lowe has shown, but he's a quality player and someone the scouts are looking at. You know, potentially they can have him recommended to Coach Algrim's and the coaching team. He's still a youngster. You know, currently his market value is 3 million euros. So still developing, and I believe he's a good prospect. Definitely not in English contention right now. So there'll be no battle with Gareth Southgate once the player, is willing to make the switch. I think we'll have him quite easily. As of now, there are no documentation, so he is yet to get his passport. That's work in progress. If he wants to meet that deadline and make it to Copa potentially. So Dujon Sterling, I don't know if everybody should be excited as yet, but I'm just giving you guys the update. And another player that potentially can come home. I still have to look at the player some more. I've seen a few clips, but clips thing work. But he's still a prospect, and I want to know what you guys think about Dujon Sterling. Can he fill that void in midfield? Can he add to the midfield depth? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think the JFF is doing enough, or the coaching staff is doing enough to fix that midfield problem? Can it be fixed before World Cup qualifications and Copa America? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'm Eddie Gona. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, people, this is Paul Maxwell, aka The Leader. Watch Eddie Vision TV for all the latest sports and information, right? Like, share, and subscribe.